So I've seen many people in my DM and they'll be like, Aderonke, what can I use for my skin? I am dark in complexion. Aderonke, what can I use for my skin? I am fair in complexion. Guys, your skin color does not matter in skincare. Skin color does not matter in skincare. That is one myth that I've been wanting to debunk for a very long time. Your skin color does not matter in skincare product. Everything that you say, oh, this is for fair skin, they are just marketing gimmicks to get your money. It does not matter. What matters is your particular skincare challenges and what that particular product is working for. Guys, I realized while editing this video that what I said, I didn't really go into the explanation, and it can cause a little controversy. When I say skincare color does not matter in skincare, it does not matter. But we have some people that, some products that are targeted towards people that wants to bleach their skin. And on this channel, we don't do skin bleaching or anything like that. You see, if you're somebody that, okay, you say, oh, I used to be fair and now I am dark, I want to go back to my color. Maybe you are dealing with hyperpigmentation, because that is what they call hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is basically skin darkening in a layman's word. So it's not somebody that you're already dark. You're not saying, oh, I want to go 5 times lighter, and you're saying, oh, the skincare product does not matter. It does matter, because you are looking for a bleaching product. So those ones are targeted towards people that wants to bleach their skin. But when we are talking about this skincare, your color does not matter. It is the challenge that you are facing, that your skin is facing, that matters, and your skin type. So there are products that are formulated for dry skin types, oily skin types, combination skin types, and that is what you should be looking for. Not, oh, would it make me lighter, would it make me dark? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So this is a video for for all skin types, because I don't care whether you're caramel, you're fair skin, or anything. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, like, share my videos with your loved ones. It means a lot to me. So today we are going to be talking about affordable skincare products, and by affordable I mean really affordable. So the first thing we are going to be talking about is cleansers. Everybody should own a cleanser. Everybody probably have a cleanser. So I don't know if yours is black soap, Dove, or whatever. Let me just debunk the fact that you don't have to buy expensive skincare products to do skincare. All you just need to know is your skin challenge and what you want to achieve, and then the brand. That's what that matters. That's what that matters. I need to stop playing. So first thing first, we are going to be talking about cleansers, and my favorite brand for cleansers, everybody by now should know is Simple. Why? Because it's affordable. It's not sponsored, so it's not like I'm trying to promote the brand or anything. It's just that it is very, very affordable. This retails for about 3,500 to 4,000. Depends on where you are getting it though. And this can last you a very, 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 very long time. It can last you up to 3 months, because you only need a pea-sized amount to wash your face. So what are you looking for? And okay, if you are somebody that is trying to save money, okay, maybe this is too expensive for you, you can get Dove bar soap. Make sure you are buying the original though. It does not dry out your face, and it's very affordable. It's just to wash away dirt from your face or your skin. And this is just a basic routine for all skin types. Mind you, this video is not talking about any skincare challenge. It's just for somebody that would like to start skincare, and this is just basics for it. We are not tackling any acne or anything. These are just products for all skin types. This will work for both oily, dry skin, combination skin. And for Dove bar soap, it will work for dry skin too, because I think they've regulated the pH content in it, so it's going to work. But if you are going to ask me which I would go for between Dove bar soap and this, I'm definitely picking this, because I'm not a fan of bar soaps for my face. I don't use them. So this is it. This brand, very affordable. get one of this. So now we are going to go to moisturizers for face, what you all know as face cream. And I will also go for this brand, Simple Hydrating Moisturizer. Why? Because it is affordable. I think it's the most affordable face cream I know. It also retails for 4,000, 3,000. And mind you, this product are going to last you for a very long time, 3 months. So Simple Hydrating Moisturizer, your go-to for moisturizer. Then we are going to go to, sunscreen. I know this is where everybody like, Aderonke, sunscreen is so expensive. I don't even know. Guys, sunscreen is very important, that unless it's life and death, you need sunscreen. And then we'll be like, oh, I don't use that sun. Why do I need sunscreen? It's really important. You can do your research on it. I think, see, if you don't want to be looking older than your age by the time you are 30, that you are looking at your age mates and they are still looking like they are in their 20s, it's the work of sunscreen. Yes, the anti-aging properties from sunscreen, it can't compare. So you need sunscreen in your life, guys. And not to talk of all the free radicals that you are exposed to, UV exposure every day. Please buy sunscreen. So when it comes to affordable sunscreen, I believe affordability is relative, but for me, this is quite affordable, because I think I got this for 8,000 and it is 75 ml. I'm not sure of the ml, guys. It is okay, this is 110 gram. I know there are a lot of cheap sunscreens, but the ones I can actually vouch for that I have used myself are the likes of Misdha Aqua, this Skin Aqua, then Biore, and Bondi Sans. So when it comes to picking, I'm going to choose this, because if I should say you should go for Misdha Aqua is just 50 ml and it's probably only going to last you for 1 month. But I've been using this, I think this is my 2nd month, and I still have close to half. So this is going to last you a while. So just sunscreen. I think sunscreen is the only skincare brand I know that, in your opinion, might not be that affordable. But please get sunscreen. And Skin Aqua might go to, I think Skin Aqua also have one of 150. So I think the best way to be able to afford sunscreen is to just go for bigger bottles. If you get a bigger bottle of a sunscreen, it's going to last you for a long time. So those are the 3 skincare products you need. Just basics. It's not tackling any major things, just protecting your skin from sun damage and moisturizing and cleansing your face. You don't need anything much, unless you have skincare challenges that you are facing, and that would be in another video. Then we can talk about affordable skincare products for acne prone skin or for drier skin and oily skin. But now that we are talking about all skin types, this is all you need as a basic, as somebody that is not currently facing any major skincare challenge, that you just just want to take care of your skin just because it feels good to take care of your skin. To me, buying skincare products, doing skincare is my form of self-care, and I wouldn't have it any other way. It's just my own way of taking care of myself. So if you are somebody like that too, that you don't have any skincare challenge, you just want to take care of yourself, so those are the 3 products you need for your face. So now let's come back to body. We have a lot of people that there are a lot of contrary opinion about black soaps, but I believe if your skin is not on the drier type, you can use black soaps. It depends on who formulates it though, because there are a lot of black soaps that are not good for your skin, because they would have added a lot of nonsense to it, a lot of steroids, a lot of whitening products. But if it's just pure black soap, like the likes of Dudu osun, you can use it. Dudu osun is a good bar soap, and that Dove bar soap too. Dove liquid body wash, my go-to, always, and they are quite affordable. I think they are like 3,000, and it can last you 3 months or more than 7. It depends. They are affordable and they smell nice. If you are into fragrance like me, guys, Dove body wash, they are the bomb. So Get a Dove body wash. It's quite affordable. 3 months go. You can get their bar soaps too. You can get Dudu also. Those are affordable body wash. And then when it comes to exfoliation for your body, you can get an exfoliating glove, to exfoliate your skin. I'm going to put a picture somewhere around the screen. Exfoliating glove is going to help you, and if you are into DIY, this is not highly recommended, but since we are talking about affordable skincare products, I think sugar, just small amount of water, and just add one essential oil, and then you have a body scrub. It's not usually advisable. I don't use. Just go for exfoliating gloves. And then when it comes to creams, you know what I'm going to talk about. Guys, I made a video about this brand has me on chokehold. Why? Because I love their product. This Neutrogena hydroboost is the bomb, and it retails for 6,000. The 250 means 6,000, 6,500. It depends. And we also know we have Nivea, right? Nivea brands are super cheap and affordable. You can get Nivea Even Tone, Nivea Radiance, all type of Nivea products. They work. They are good. They are not going to whiten your skin or do anything. They are just moisturizer, and they should be. So if you want me to make a video about somebody that is facing hyperpigmentation, affordable skincare product for acne-prone skin, please let me know in the comment section. But basically today we are just talking about general skincare, budget-friendly skincare products you can use, and this is my go-to brand. 6,000, 6,500 for body cream. I think it's quite affordable and it can last you a long while if you are not somebody that beats twice. Yeah, if you are prone to body itching, you can get Eucerin too. Eucerin brands too is quite affordable. I think it retails for 5,000 naira, and it's worth your money. So let me know in the comment section if you are going to be getting any of these skincare products. These are just like beginner friendly skincare products you can use for yourself. So if you want me to talk about affordable products for for your particular skin type, I can do that too. So let me know in the comment section.